What if I told you that just in 7 minutes you could build a server that lets AI assistant interact with your custom tools and data? Today we are diving into MCP, the Model Context Protocol, and I'll show you how to create your first server using FastMCP. Stick around, because by the end of this video you will have a working MCP server that can expose your own tools to AI assistants. First, let's quickly understand what MCP is. The Model Context Protocol is a standard that allows AI assistants to securely connect to external data sources and tools. For example, you can install the Azure SQL Server MCP, which enables the AI to run SQL queries on your database. You just need to say something like "get me all the administrators from the database," or at some point you can say "make John a premium user." Think of it as a bridge between AI and your application. And FastMCP is a Pythonic framework that makes building the servers incredibly simple. We are talking just a few lines of code. Let's start by installing the FastMCP package. Open your terminal and run pip install FastMCP. Now create a new Python file called server.py. This will contain our entire MCP server. And first thing we need to add here is basic imports and server setup. Importing the main FastMCP server construction class and initializing it. That's it, we have created an MCP server with just 2 lines of code. With that in place, we can run it with mcp.run at the end of the file, and we can launch and connect it to the Copilot. In my case, I'll use the VS Code MCP extension for that. The first step we need to do is create the .vscode folder and mcp.json file inside of it, where I'll specify the path to my server and the transport type, in my case stdio. There's also an option to create a streamable HTTP server, but that requires hosting, so we will focus on the local one today. When we run it, we can see successful logs appearing and a new server being detected. The Copilot can now automatically pick it up. Simple as that. But of course, it doesn't do anything yet. Let's create some functions that our AI assistant can call. How about password creation utility? It's useful when you want to be specific about password creation rules, like enforcing company policies, avoiding certain characters, or generating passwords for specific systems. You can handle all these custom requirements through MCP, rather than relying on the LLM built-in resources. Notice the mcp.tool decorator. This tells FastMCP to expose this function as a tool that AI assistant can call. The docstring is important too. It helps the AI understand what the function does. The better docstring, the bigger chances that your MCP client will call the right thing. With that in place, we can already detect some movement in the Copilot available tools list. We got our new function there. But it's still kind of basics. Let's add something more interesting. A function that can read and analyze files. Now our AI assistant can explore the file system, calling list files for a certain directory and read specific files with the read file function. As you understand now, it can access basically anything you can connect to and control it via your client. MCP also supports resources. These are pieces of data, dynamic or static, that AI assistant can read. Let's add simple resource that will provide system info for the MCP server. In here we have just some basic info about the current machine. But we also can include a CPU, GPU and RAM specifications and ask if your PC is capable of running something with this hardware. It can be anything useful. And besides that, FastMCP also provides decorators to construct prompts for general and specific purpose. Here is how it works. Basically, all you need to do is wrap your function that will return a prompt string with a mcp.prompt decorator. I'll create a few for this server. One will serve as a general instructions and second one for API design rules. With that in place, we can detect that our tools have appeared. within the Copilot agent by clicking on the Tools icon here. We can now ask our assistant to list files inside of the Nunix directory, one level deep. And it looks pretty accurate with explanation, as we asked for. Or generate a password with an explanation of what has been used for the past generation. And it's giving us a new password and showing us what has been used for that. Very nice. This server can be connected not only to the Copilot, but to any MCP client that supports custom MCP server connections, Claude, ChatGPT, Llama, LM Studio, etc. To test our server, we need an MCP client. The easiest way is to use the MCP Inspector that comes with the MCP SDK. We need to install MCP package and run our inspector on Python MCP server. This opens a web interface where we can see our resources/templates, our prompts in another tab which we can check providing functions arguments, and tools which are also testable from here interactively. Powerful instrument with plenty of functions to test your MCP server before deploying it. Definitely worth checking for the developers. For the next steps, check out the FastMCP documentation. You can add authentication, create more complex resources, handle streaming data, and much more. And that's it. We have built a working MCP server that can be connected anywhere and act as a useful tool for your personal AI assistant. You can do API calls there, connect your smart home, everything you are up to. If this helps you, smash the like button and subscribe for more AI development tutorials.